It's time to get dinner ready, so I've got a nice roast going on. I've got some cauliflower, broccoli, sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, capsicum and garlic. And I'm going to throw in some stir-fry steak as well. So let's get the steak in. Throw in some peri-peri seasoning. Throw in some lemon juice. And I've got to grab the olive oil. And then just put the veggies in next. Throw the garlic in the bottom. Now the secret though to get this to work properly and cook thoroughly through in the shortest time as possible is to throw on some aluminium foil over the top and set it over so that it helps stew in its own juices. So the meat and veggies will be cooked in about 2 hours. It's not going to turn out like a roast with crispy veggies, but it's more like a steamed soft veggie, so it's still very beautiful and a nice change from having stir fries every night. So I'll come back in 2 hours and dinner will be on. Dinner is ready. This model of Travel Buddy oven I purchased draws 6 amps per hour. So if you're using the starter battery, it's recommended you cook only while the engine is running. In my case, I have it hooked up to a secondary battery so I can cook without issue. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Visit my website roamingtheoutback.com for Australian travel destinations, vehicle preparation ideas and gear reviews. If you'd like to help support the creation of new videos, please consider becoming a Patreon. Click on the Patreon button on the screen now. Thanks.